Good evening, everybody. Do the following exercise 1 about scientific notation and problems. 1. Express the following numbers in scientific notation. A 0.012, B 0.000005, C 52,500, D 65. Number 2. Convert the following numbers from scientific notation to regular decimal numbers. A 3.5 times 10 raised to minus 4, B 2.5 times 10 raised to 6, C 8 times 10 raised to minus 12, D 10 to the power of 0. Number 3. Perform the following mathematical operations, leaving your answers in scientific notation. A 10 raised to 2 plus 10 raised to 3, B 10 raised to 2 plus 10 raised to 2, C 10 raised to 2 times 10 raised to minus 2, D 10 raised to 6 times 10 raised to 4, E 10 raised to 6 over 10 raised to 4, F 3 times 10 raised to 3 times 2 times 10 raised to 8. I want to do it by yourself, and I will give you the feedback after all next time. Still, until that time, you have to subscribe me on the YouTube and Twitter channels. Thank you very much. Have a nice night.